Hello guys, there are many English words, so I want to some meaning or pronunciation in Korean. Let's get started. 컴퓨터, 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 컴퓨터. water, water, water. paper, paper, paper. Maybe there are not related to our sound. 이어폰, 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 이어폰. 유튜브, 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 유튜브. 후라이팬, 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 후라이팬. Really similar. 아이돌 팬, 아이돌 팬, 아이돌 팬. 후라이팬, 아이돌 팬. fan, pen, fan. But we say same. pen. 박스, 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 박스. I was born in Gangwon-do, a small town. So in Korean word, small towns, some has different sounds from Seoul sound. So in this bracket, some different sound, but we can also use, and everyone understand my sound. So I will write this one too. 박스, 박스. Everyone understand this one white, but this one is white. White, 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 white. Next one, black, 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 black. 스탠드, 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 스탠드. Some of 스탠드 코미디, 스탠드 코미디. 스탠드. And this pronunciation is cream, excuse me, cream, but really soft and simple sound. 크림, 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 크림. Next one. 페이스, 페이스. F and also P. We use one alphabet. Name is pube. So this pronunciation is 페이스, 페이스. Next one, the last one. 카페, 카페. 또는 카페, 카페, 카페. Really similar. 카페, 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 카페. My pronunciation here and here, I usually use some stress sound because I'm from Gangwon-do. I think that's why. Yes, that's everything for I arranged, and see you next time. Bye.